Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 10x, we can put into 5x and 5x in here. Next, we can do about factorization by number 5. Next, this one divide by this one, so we have number 5. Next, the integration of number 5, we have 5x. Now, I will consider about this one. So, about s, I can put into 3s minus 2s. So we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 2. Next, we can do another factorization by s plus 3. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So capital A over s minus 2, capital B over s plus 3. Now we do common denominator. So this one is missing about s plus 3. So capital A multiplied by s plus 3. About this one, it is missing about s minus 2. So capital B multiplied by s minus 2. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have 3a minus 2b. So, let's compare coefficients. We have 5s, so this is about s, and we have s in here. So, a plus b equals to number 5. We don't have the numbers in here. So 3a minus 2b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 3. And now I will put a and b going here. And now we have the integration. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 3. And now we have 2 ln of the absolute value of s minus 2. And number 3, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 3. And then I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.